Namaskaram friends, welcome to Jnanam Gurukul channel. In this video, we are going to see about gerund. What is a gerund? The gerund is a verb that acts like a noun in a sentence. The gerund is obtained by adding the ing tag to form a verb used as a subject or object in a sentence. For example, running is my favorite form of exercise. This is a gerund. Here, running is a blend of noun and verb. It looks like a verb but acts like a noun. We are running. This is not a gerund. This is a correct sentence, but in this sentence, our running is a verb. Rule 1. If the last letter of the word ends with ee, then by adding ing tag to the word gives you ee plus ing equal to eeing. For example, see is equal to seeing, agree is equal to agreeing, flee is equal to fleeing. Rule 2. If the last letter of the word ends with ie, then by adding ing tag to the word gives you ie plus ing is equal to ying. For example, die is equal to dying, lie is equal to lying, tie is equal to tying. Rule 3. If the last letter of the word ends with y, then by adding ing tag to the word gives you y plus ing is equal to ying. For example, play is equal to playing, cry is equal to crying, fly is equal to flying. Rule 4. If the last letter of the word ends with e, then by adding ing tag to the word gives you e plus ing is equal to ing. For example, come is equal to coming, dance is equal to dancing, hide is equal to hiding. Rule 5. If the words end with consonant plus vowel plus consonant, then consonant vowel consonant plus ing is equal to double final consonant plus ing. In the word admit, letter M is a consonant, letter I is a vowel, and last letter T is a consonant. By adding ing tag to it gives you admit plus ing is equal to admitting, run is equal to running, stop is equal to stopping. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and subscribe our channel. See you in our next video. Until then, bye friends.